Shut up and sit down.
So hello and welcome to an off-well side-by-side video. A couple of weeks ago I had both the mirrors replaced on the car under warranty. Now these mirrors have got blind spot monitoring in them, and they're also adjustable from inside the car, and they also automatically fold in when you lock the car. So that means they are ECU controlled. Now what I'm curious to find out is, are there any fault codes in the car after them unplugging the old mirrors and plugging the new ones in? And did it generate any codes that they didn't clear? And also to see if there's any other codes in the car. So I've got the dongle here, and I'm going to plug it in under the dash into the OBD2 port. And then I'm going to turn the scanner on. And let the scanner boot up. And then I'm going to go through the whole procedure of doing a full systems health check on this car. And I'm going to check every single ECU to see if there are any faults registered in this car. Because we're now at 35,842 miles. And since I did all the adaptations to the car and all the customization, I've never put the car back on the scanner. So I'm interested to find out if the car, over the period of time I've owned it, has developed and stored any codes. So I'm going to select Toyota. It's now connecting. I'm connected to the OBD2 port, which is a 16 pin. So I'm going to select 16 pin. I've got a smart key. It's read the car, chassis number, engine type, model type. And we'll now connect to all the ECUs. And I'm going to do a full system health report. And it'll now scan every single computer in this car. And I'm going to run this in real time so you can see it. I'm not going to hide anything. And you can see how fast it's going. It's already up to nearly 40%. It's halfway through now, it's done 50%. What this will do, once it's finished scanning, it'll put a report up on the screen and tell me how many ECUs it's read and whether there's any faults in any of the ECUs. And anything I need to make a note of. And if there is, go back to Toyota and say, look, this is what's happened. So, it's finished scanning. And everything is normal. So I click report. Gives me all the information of the car. And it tells me there are 0 faults in the car, and it's read 38 ECUs. And every ECU is normal. So there's not a single code stored in this car. I'm going to save that report. No, I don't want to share it. I want to save it. Now it's saved the report. So, this car never generated any faults when they changed the mirrors. I'm really happy with that. There's no problems as far as the computers are concerned. The car's in good health. So this is a happy car with all them miles on it. Let me go into one ECU. Let's check the 12-volt battery whilst we're here. And let's see what the 12-volt battery is reading with the car in an idle state, in its ready mode, ready to drive. Battery voltage, okay. That battery is running 14.12 volts. That's a healthy 12-volt battery. Let me turn the car off and put it back into accessory mode. And now see what the battery reads. Car's in accessory mode. And we're reading 12 volts. Don't forget there is a drain on this battery at the moment because everything in the car is now running off that 12-volt battery. This is why I always say, don't put your car in accessory mode. Always have it in ready mode, even if you're just sitting waiting for somebody. Let's put it back into ready mode. And straight away, that battery is now back up to 14 volts. So, I'm happy with the results of that scan. This is a healthy car. And I hope it stays that way for many, many more miles. Thanks for watching a North Wales side-by-side video. Please consider liking, please consider subscribing.